That's the difference. Part of this theme that needs to work. Now that was a perfect example of where you crash the net. We didn't crash the net.
Maybe he just needs to be down there and see it for himself. Maybe he's not right now.
I haven't seen them. Maybe they're over there. Maybe they're not here yet.
Come on, Eli!
Good job.
Feeling like I just can't get anything level on this tripod. It's so frustrating. I don't know why we got a penalty. I didn't see what that was. Maybe too many men?
Good job. Boss.
That's a shot on goal. Opportunity. So we need to win a. We could. It'd be nice to win a face-off here. He hasn't been winning any. There we go. Oh, Austin fell. Lost his edge. Way to get it out of there. I wonder if it's time to get his stage second. Now we're going to change. Might be time for a company.
I guess so.
Seconds. Get it out of there. Just get it out. You got it. Dump it. He's going to get one of these times. He's got a rocket. What's that? He must have ruled it intentional offsides. That's the only reason to bring, or goalie interference. That would bring the puck down here. Another thing that could have been is it could have been a high stick, you know, where you like where you hit the puck with your stick over your shoulder. If you do that, that'll also bring the puck back to your zone. I didn't see what it was, but it could have been any one of those things. Look, Austin went to the net. There was a bouncing puck wide open.
Help him!
Look at Austin. Look at Austin is wide open. They're puck chasing. I know, they're puck chasing. And it worked for them there.
Yeah.
3-on-1 against the boards.
Good D, Jim.
Yeah,
Stay with him. Thanks, CJ.
Yeah, there was a play down there while you were doing your phone. And there was a big rebound, Juicy, sitting right there.
Nice defense.
And he had not first gone for it, and then both him and Lane converged. But I guarantee you that one went through his mind.
Chandler, just play the game. Don't worry about it. Retaliation gets you every time, dude.
Good choice, Black. Good job. He was going to go after Chandler, and then he just put his hands up like you're right, I shouldn't do that, and he made a good choice. Excellent defense right there. See, that's why they're always dropping back and resetting like that when the puck comes out. Oh, good job. Just centered it.
There you go. He's going.
He hit Derek. Did you see it? He hit Derek and knocked him down. We got 2 minutes for that. So now we're going to play 4-on-4 for a minute. This is going to be good for our skaters. Open ice. Good job. Turn, Oz, turn.
Good job, boss.
That was an intentional hit. That was an intentional shot. They're going after our players now.
I have
He creamed Kemper. Kemper turned and the kid just plowed into him. It was. I don't think the coaches are teaching that. I talked to those coaches. I don't think they're not coaching that.
play clean, Jan.
True. Yes. It's like I tell Austin, protect, but play clean, more or less. Don't, never instigate. Neither does Austin. Austin's penalties are by accident.
Chandler for that one will Chandler. That was next.
Yeah.
Once in a great while.
Yeah. Good job, Brandon. Dang it.
We have a 2-man advantage, and we're icing the puck. It's like, you guys, look at the scoreboard. It's 5-on-3. It's 5-on-3, Blue! Come on!
Come on, Blue.
Gotta be ready for those. You can't just be standing.
Set it up, Chan. Get back with them.
Nice move. Kid can play. Do it again. See, I'm confused. So now they're on this side. Now it would make more sense for Lane and Austin to be on the opposite again, so that Lane can get that shot off. So, and they're not. I don't know. I have to ask Chuck about that. I know that that's his position, but seems like on face-offs they should be.
Good job.
Go off!
Lost.
Take a shot.
Come on, Danny.
Excellent! Excellent!